Hey guys, it's Peridots 5715. I'm coming at you with a new part of Peridots Beach Day Adventure. Okay, we're coming up at like the toll booth. Hang on, I need to pause the video while we do that so I don't get in trouble. Bad trouble. Okay, we're in the clear. Okay, so right now we just made it to the beach.
Did you used to think there were dolphins in that?
Yeah, water tank, we're at the beach. La la la. This isn't the beach yet, trust me.
Yellow.
Dude,
Yeah, I think
we got some shrimp. We're gonna be catching some fishies, and I got to use the bathroom because I drank a whole chick stuff.
Oh, it's yellow flag.
Fort Pickens is still further than what you think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How
It's
far?
the other direction. Like we usually go this way to go to the beach. Well, actually we turn right like we're going to Casino Beach, but we keep driving.
Oh.
You were... No, that was bad.
Okay.
That's where I should get ice.
This is the beach. Why didn't you get it at the gas station we went to? Well, anyways, dudes, we are gonna fish till we drop. When someone catches a fish, I will like probably take a picture.
Yeah, even if it's a small one.
Just go check that on my Instagram page. You'll see it.
So if you go left, you go down to Luna. And if
Yeah, I
you go
know.
right.
Yes. Ooh,
That's
look,
the
it's
sand
Alvin's
shaker.
Island.
They make the best bushwhacker on the island.
What's a bushwhacker?
Bushwhacker, it's a alcoholic beverage.
What's yellow flag mean?
Marine life.
No.
That's
Riptides.
Man, a purple flag is dangerous marine.
Oh. So we're at the beach.
Dude, look how many seagulls are swimming.
I'm wearing the perfect shit so nice.
Yes.
Yeah, when we get out, can I use the bathroom? Yeah, I probably should have paused the video, but yeah. Lions Beach, Peridots Beach. Peridots Beach Day Adventure.
Barker's Day Out.
Barker's Day Out. Don't give my last name out on YouTube.
Why?
You
Oh,
never.
you're raging right here.
No, I am Peridot 5715. Oh, jeez. Oh, and what are you?
Me?
A good dad.
Nope, single. Oh!
WB.
Burn!
He's dating your mom.
No, he's not.
He's our dad.
Remember the accident? Okay. Yeah. But anyways, dude, I'm gonna end the third, I think, segment's Peridots Beach Day Adventures. Yeah.
Oh, you wanted to rat something cheap.
Oh,
in
holy
there with
crap.
the
I wish I'd be
fishing
living
bait
in that.
and stuff.
Woo! Oh, someone's jumping. Don't jump. You got too much to live for. Everybody do the flop.
That's where Tyler got to stay when he was here.
Oh, where? There?
No, it was the Hilton.
Oh, okay. Yeah, remember the... Oh, yeah, I need to pause the video. Alright. Anyways, dudes, I hope y'all enjoyed this segment of Peridots Beach Day Adventures. And I hope to see y'all in the next adventure.
Probably me ribbon.
Probably us reeling in fish. Yeah.